I can barely see Pinnacle Mountain through the haze. I can't see Table Rock Mountain at all. Wednesday, March 26th. Just trying to see what it looks like up here, but it's real poor visibility. It's just so hazy and so smoky. I can't see anything today from here in Marietta. And actually a couple hours ago, it was real smoky and hazy just everywhere. The smoke was drifting this way. I guess the wind was blowing to the south. The wind, I think, is shifted now, more, I think, like east, maybe southeast. And yesterday was a really bad day, real long day, real tough day. Winds were horrible. Fires grew a lot. And they called a mandatory evacuation for everyone north of Highway 11 and up Geer Highway, where our cabin is. So that was a real stressful situation because they didn't call it till 7:30 at night. We ran up there, got what we could. Our renters got a notice and got out. All our friends in the Bald Rock community evacuated. And the Table Rock fire has moved north around the reservoir, and I'm not sure if it's just going to keep going that way or not. We've had a really hard time just getting up-to-date info, real-time info, the last 24 hours. Forestry Commission did put out a report last night, and then the fire chiefs in command of both fires, they did sort of an update this morning of what they tried to do yesterday and what their plan is today. But Persimmon Ridge has spread. Sounds like it went all the way down to Lake Wataku. It broke a fire break. So the fires have broken fire break lines, and the winds spread them really, really bad yesterday. Table Rock fire is over 2,000 acres now. I heard Persimmon Ridge was up to 1,000, but I can't find a confirmation of that. So, and I think it has started to reach Persimmon Ridge Road and Geer Highway. So they've closed off Geer Highway up there on the way to Caesar's Head. And the wind is, not supposed to be great today. I don't think it's as bad as yesterday, but it's still going to be breezy this afternoon, and it's still super dry. Rain is not forecasted until Sunday or Monday. So this is not looking good.
What happened yesterday was that the fire that was below the rock face here was able to creep around, and I think it probably got out the day before yesterday. When we had our wind event yesterday, 30-40 mile an hour wind event, that pushed this fire this way and up this way, driving it up the ridge. The plan of attack on this, we've pulled everybody out. We're just going to have to do, it's going to all be aerial assault. We're going to use Sky Ranch Road. We're going to paint that. And then also we're going to try to paint this ridge here to try to protect as many homes as possible down here to the southeast. Doing that today is, we're just trying to buy more time so that we can have another operational period. So hopefully we'll be able to do something over here tomorrow, but it's just too dangerous. There's no escape routes or any way to get out of there. If we send crews up in here trying to open roads up, we're just putting everybody in a really bad spot. So life is the #1 priority here, and homes are going to be second priority. So that's our plan for today.
On Persimmon Ridge Fire, yesterday we were able to punch in another dozer line from the Oil Camp Creek community down to Lawton Road. The fire did escape into Division Lima down near this Wanaco Lake. We're going in this morning and going to try to get a containment line on that. The fire also pushed out to Persimmon Ridge Road yesterday. Fire department's been holding that all night. And then on the western side, Highway 276, the fire's getting close to that. We're going to try to get that checked up today. On the northern end, Division Oscar, this line was looking good yesterday evening. The fire is backing down that hill toward the line, and we got a nice wide line in there. We're going to try to hold and improve that today with some hand crews, get some of the snags cut out of there. And that's our plan for today.